Okay, this is the random list that I'm going to choose for doing an oral exam for the first hour. I'm going to pick the top 3 names because I have 2 people who did not take it on time, so those people will automatically be part of my verbal exchange. And once I pick the 3 people, and again, I'm going to randomize this so everybody can see it. And then once those top 3 people are chosen, I will set appointments for you for next week on Wednesday to come see me. So make sure you have it in your calendar. Okay, here goes. And just so you can see, these are people in. Oh wait, he's not with us anymore. Okay, so these are all the people in first hour, except for the 2 who haven't taken it yet. Because again, I'm going to add them to it. The top 3 are Rebecca, Kayla, and Anush. So the 3 of you need to look for emails from me setting up appointments, and we'll just talk about the test. Thanks, everybody.